how much I can earn from YouTube. Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an exciting topic: how much money can you make from YouTube? Firstly, let's be honest, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. To make significant income from YouTube, you need to consistently create engaging content that attracts a loyal viewer base. It takes time and effort to build a following. That being said, there are numerous YouTubers who make a decent living from their channel. Their earnings come from various sources like video views, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. However, this is not a universal rule and varies greatly depending on the content creator and their niche. So, the key takeaway here is to remain consistent with your content creation and keep improving your skills if you want to earn on YouTube. The more you grow, the more opportunities for income will come your way. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep creating.